Say goodbye to blind spots. Check out this wireless solar-powered reverse camera. This one is easy to install, no wires, and is powered by the sun. So in today's video, we're gonna test this Auto-Vox Solar1 Pro wireless backup camera. With this camera, you can see clearer, park safer, and you can upgrade your ride in minutes. Coming up right now. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. Comes with the screen and the plug to connect it, and on the back is the holes to hook up the mount. The manual with the warranty, the cable to charge the camera, the power cable to connect the screen with a cigarette lighter connection, Allen wrench for the camera, and a suction cup mount for the screen. Double-sided tape for the camera, and this is the solar backup camera. This is the solar panel, so it gets charged in here. Here is the connection to charge it, and on this side is the power button. You can turn it on and off in here. It will turn automatically, okay, but the first time you have to turn it on in here. And also you can adjust the camera here up and down like this. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, it's time to test this rear view camera. On the side, it has 3 buttons. Let me see if I can show you. The one on the middle is the enter, and this one, and the top is for the right, and the bottom is to the left. Okay. So first we have to plug it in here. Let's plug it in. It's connecting. And it's connected, but it's upside down. Let me see if I can align it a little bit. So let me show you the menu first. Okay, menu. The first one is to pair with the rear camera. You press that one, it will pair. And then the next one is the colors, brightness, and contrast. Okay, you can make it brighter. Okay, yeah, let's make it brighter. And contrast. Oh, too dark. Yeah, maybe lighter. No, too light. Yeah, like that. So it's perfect. Okay, the next one is the to flip the camera. So I have it's upside down. So let's move. I have to be real quick. Okay, so like that. Okay, so now it's better. And then the next one is the reverse time. Okay, let's go that one. Oh, it will disappear too quick. I have to be quick. And maybe I'm gonna put it 120 seconds. It's like 2 minutes. Let me see if it got saved. Yes. All right. So the lines, you can turn it on and off. Okay. That's good. So if you want to adjust the lines that you can see they are too high, you have to move the camera manually up and down on the back. And then the last one on the menu is to reset. So it will go to the factory settings. So that's everything for the camera. Okay, so let me adjust the lines for the camera. As you can see, it's a little bit too high. I have to make it lower a little bit. Okay, so in here I have to lower. Okay, like that. Okay, now it's better, but still, now it's showing a little bit of the bumper right here, but it's fine. I can see everything, so it's pretty cool. So now let's reverse the car and let's see what it does. Okay, now move the car in reverse. You might hear a sound, but it's already my car. It has already reverse parking sensors. But let's see if this one makes any sound. Let's do it. So that sound is from my car, so it doesn't make any sounds. That's from my car, but this one It doesn't make any sound, but it works very good. Yeah, I can see everything pretty clear. Okay, and this is the debut for the camera. And remember, this is wireless and it can reach 40 feet long from the screen to the camera. So that's pretty good for this camera. You don't have to put no wires. And this is the night view for the camera. It gets a little bit more grainy because it's dark, but still you can see everything pretty good. So that's great. But let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay, it's time for the giveaway. So for the giveaway, we're gonna give away this camera that is right here. And the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to like this video. You have to put a comment in this video. And on Sunday, we're gonna announce the winner. And this is for the USA only, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Good luck. And see you on the next video.